Thought you'd already seen everything the tool world has to offer? Think again. Today, we're showcasing 7 technological beasts that make an ordinary drill look like a toy. These are tools so powerful, precise, and extreme they seem ripped from a sci-fi film. But they're real. They slice steel like butter, pulverize concrete like a cracker, and reach places no human could enter. So buckle up, because what you're about to see are no ordinary tools. They're the wildest creatures of modern engineering. Let's roll! Top 1. Brokk 900. This Colossus isn't just a machine. It's a remote-operated demolition tool that can replace an entire crew. It weighs more than 11 tons and can be armed with 300-kilogram hydraulic hammers that reduce reinforced concrete and structural steel to dust in seconds, all from a safe distance. It brings down what once needed dynamite, yet with a surgeon's precision. It works in extreme temperatures, contaminated zones, or any conditions a human could never endure. A modular frame lets it swap accessories in minutes: claws, buckets, grapples, or ultra-high-pressure water cannons, without the operator ever approaching danger. Used inside nuclear plants, high-risk chemical labs, and even post-quake rescue sites, this is brute force fused with remote intelligence. Top 2. UHP Waterjet. Picture a water jet so intense, it cuts through a steel girder like wet paper. The ultra-high-pressure water jet fires water at more than 2,500 bar, mixed with abrasives, reaching speeds of 1,000 meters per second. No sparks, no heat zone, no deafening noise. It's precise enough to etch your name in granite or slice an airplane wing in a perfect line. That's why aviation, shipbuilding, and nuclear facilities rely on it when a single error could cost millions. Because the cut is cold, it's ideal for heat-sensitive plastics, aerospace composites, and safety glass, all with zero toxic fumes. If you've ever dreamed of a lightsaber carving metal, this is the closest real-world equivalent. Top 3. Hilti TE 3000 AVR. What used to need a compressor the size of a car now fits in a backpack. The Hilti TE 3000 AVR delivers 68 joules per blow and shatters concrete like styrofoam. Electric, compact, and potent, it opens a trench in pavement within minutes. Ergonomic design and active vibration reduction make it feel like an extension of the user's body. No compressors, no hoses, no hassle. Plug in and destroy. Built for brutal sites, it shrugs off dust and moisture and cools itself to avoid overheating. A brutally efficient tool ready to break any barrier. Top 4. Darta Splitter C20. When blasting isn't an option, this splitter steps up. Slide it into a small borehole, activate it, and within seconds it cracks rock by applying up to 1,500 tons of internal pressure. No explosion, no racket, no dust, just a clean, controlled fissure. It can open a 40-centimeter slab in under a minute. Perfect for hospitals, city centers, historic monuments, or underground mines where vibration and noise are taboo. Compact enough for a van, it works where no excavator can squeeze. Silent power with the punch of a controlled blast. Top 5. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Super Sawzall. Need to sever a beam, a steel pipe, or a full-size gate in an emergency? This is the tool. Battery-powered, it hits 3,000 strokes per minute and chews through a 10-centimeter beam in under 30 seconds. Imagine a chainsaw that fits in a backpack, cuts metal, and keeps going even underwater. Its brushless motor holds constant power, and the design lets you cut from any angle, even one-handed. Beloved by firefighters, rescue teams, industrial demo crews, and extreme mechanics. Swap blades in seconds to tackle wood, PVC, steel, or even rebar-laced concrete. A compact monster that devours steel without blinking. Top 6. Rigid Sea Snake Micro Reel. A buried pipe, a cavity in a wall, a hairline crack in the foundations. No one can reach it except this camera. A long, flexible, waterproof cable carries an HD head that streams real-time video. It runs 30 meters without pause, lights the darkness, spins on its axis, and reveals cracks thinner than a fingernail. Used in archaeology, mining, hydroplants, aircraft inspection, and more. It records, stores, and streams while overlaying live measurements. Watch every centimeter on a handheld screen, save the footage, and share instantly. Eyes where no one else can look. Top 7. Hypertherm PowerMax 105. This tool doesn't cut, it pierces. It creates a plasma jet hotter than 20,000 degrees Celsius, slicing through steel almost 4 centimeters thick in less than 20 seconds, with zero effort and zero vibration for the operator. Found in shipyards, factories, workshops, scrap yards, and industrial maintenance. Some claim it can dismantle an entire car in 10 minutes. Smart functions auto-tune the arc to the material, guaranteeing clean, safe cuts. Portable enough for a briefcase, usable by hand or on CNC and robots. Your own pocket-sized laser beam. There you have it. 7 tools so savage, precise, and jaw-dropping they sound like video game upgrades. Yet they're 100% real. From water jets slicing steel to handheld saws gobbling beams, splitters cracking stone, and plasma beams obliterating metal in seconds. Which one blew your mind? Want a part 2 with more extreme tools? Drop a comment, subscribe, and ring the bell because this channel brings you the most brutal gear from the real world every week. See you in the next video.